people I don't like. This is, let me see here. This is the, shoot, I don't know.
How about edit some of this white time out? Or stand back to it.
Here we go. It's on Kiowa. Or no, it's Kiowa and Pikes Peak, I think. But don't quote me on that.
Oh, look at this.
It's like red and ugly like Elmwood. Except it's not as painted.
Is this hydro?
Yeah, this is small though. Is this smaller?
Yes, it is small. This is smaller than Elmwood.
They could have made it way bigger.
Let's listen to this motor. This might be interesting. Here we go.
A lot of wasted space.
Yeah.
I hate this guy. There's a machine room for the Otis.
This is tall. You need to see
Especially
the
for hydro. We're almost up CenturyLink Tower, Jesus. Oh, I guess there's another elevator in there too.
So there's 3 elevators in here?
Guess so. Oh.
Well, this place is crazy. We don't want to lose that. We'll have to wait all day for it.
Yeah. Lantern is trying its best. Definitely was Dover.
Nice view of a red wall.
Yeah, right? Look at that. Ugh. Paint has like a blister.
No wonder we had to wait so long. It's slow.
Yeah. This town will pull you over for like blinking wrong at the cops. That somehow they don't pull in enough money to put in traction elevators. Well, that was an experience.